Attention Samsung users, the wait is almost over. The highly anticipated One UI 7.0 is on the horizon, and there's a lot to look forward to. Leaks and sneak peeks have given us a glimpse into what's coming, and it's clear that this update is set to transform the user experience. Let's start with what has everyone talking, the animations. A recent leak has showcased just how far Samsung is pushing the envelope in terms of fluidity and design. One UI 7.0's animations appear smoother and more refined than ever before. From pulling down the quick panel to navigating between apps, every motion looks incredibly polished and natural. This isn't just about aesthetics. The enhanced smoothness ensures a more responsive and satisfying interaction, making every tap, swipe, and scroll feel intuitive. The quick panel itself has undergone some noticeable improvements. The animations for expanding and retracting it have been fine-tuned, striking a perfect balance between elegance and functionality. Samsung's focus on stability and performance is evident here, as these changes are not just visually pleasing but also practical for everyday use. The redesigned recent apps section is another highlight, giving priority to your most frequently used apps and presenting them in a cleaner, more organized layout. This makes multitasking quicker and more user-friendly, a small but meaningful upgrade for those who juggle multiple apps throughout the day. One UI 6 had some tough competition from iOS and other Android skins, particularly when it came to app launch animations and interface responsiveness. But with One UI 7.0, Samsung seems to have addressed these gaps head-on. The result is an interface that feels more modern and cohesive, narrowing the gap between Samsung and its biggest competitors. While One UI has always been about customization and functionality, this update introduces a level of sophistication that might finally put it on par or even ahead in certain areas. Another key change revealed through leaks is the refreshed design of core app icons and widgets. Icons for apps like Settings, Gallery, and Camera have been revamped with a cleaner and more modern aesthetic. Meanwhile, the weather widget has been given a sleek new look, blending seamlessly with the overall design language of the update. Even the small transitions like opening and closing apps feel smoother, showing how Samsung is paying attention to the finer details that enhance the user experience. Beyond animations and visuals, One UI 7.0 seems to signal a broader shift in Samsung's approach to interface design. The leaks suggest a move toward a more unified and polished ecosystem, where every element works together to create a harmonious experience. This kind of cohesion is something Samsung fans have been hoping for, and it's exciting to see the company deliver on those expectations. As for when we can expect a better release, Samsung has kept those details under wraps for now. However, if the leaks are any indication, the wait will be worth it. One UI 7.0 is shaping up to be one of the most significant updates we've seen in years, not just as an upgrade, but as a statement of intent from Samsung, a bold step forward in design, performance, and usability. The anticipation around One UI 7.0 is undeniable, and for good reason. With smoother animations, a redesigned interface, and thoughtful enhancements to core features, this update promises to elevate the Galaxy experience to new heights. While the final release is still some time away, it's safe to say that the future of Samsung's interface has never looked brighter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.